Hello my dear students, welcome to Diksha Vedantu Foundation YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing good. Today is day 55 of our series 99% in 99 days for CBSE mathematics. We are dealing with mode, the statistics part number 3 session on the statistics bacha, where we'll talk about the mode and empirical formula. Okay, we'll solve questions on them and we'll learn how to apply these formulas for mode in the problems. Okay, so we'll see again for the group data and ungroup data what is the meaning of mode. So we know what is mode bacha. The mode is nothing but the data with the highest frequency. Means if you are looking at a data set, okay, whichever data has the highest frequency is called as mode of the given data set. I hope this is clear. Yes, so we'll also look for the data bacha whenever it is in grouped condition, how to find the mode. We have a formula. Sometimes students find this very confusing because of this number of f and f coming. I'll try to make it simpler for you so that you are not able to mistake and do a confusing mistake in a examination. Okay, so let's look at the session bacha. We'll again solve all the questions. I've taken problems number, I think total number of 4 questions I've taken, which will be good enough to complete the concept of mode and empirical formula. So have a look at the first thing, chapter plan. As you know, we have only to study this year measures of central tendency, which is going to be mean, median and mode. We have done the first 2 and written the mocks as well. If you have missed out on that, please go ahead, check the playlist for mathematics and write the mock on the mean and median. Okay, chali. So if you look at the weightage bacha, you have 11 marks from stats and probability. You can expect overall 6 to 7 marks in the statistics itself. The last 4 can be asked in probability as well. Okay, so 6 to 7 marks in stats can be asked bacha very clearly. Okay, very important chapter this is. Again, you can ask the question can be asked in the category of MCQ, 2 marker, 3 marker and 5 marker. I am not saying that case study can't be asked. This bacha is from the previous year question papers. Means I have looked at your previous year papers and analyzed that to get this result. That question has been asked in this pattern only. MCQ they are asking in the stats, 2 marker they are asking the stats, and they're also asking 5 marker in the stats. They have not asked a case study, but they can ask it, so don't worry about it. You have to solve all the questions bacha. Don't miss out on anything. You know that, right? If you know the concept, you can solve any type of question on that, right? Chaliye. So weightage is clear. Now we are going to do with or deal with mode bacha. So what did I say? Mode is nothing but the highest occurring data. Okay, means the data with highest frequency is called as mode, hai na? Data with highest frequency is mode, hai na? Whichever is having or occurring the maximum number of time is called as mode. Okay, what about the group data, sir? What about the group data bacha? So whenever we are dealing with group data, okay, group data, let me take example. Okay, let me take example. So I can take here 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 and 60 to 70. Okay, let's look at the frequency. We can take here 8, 10, 10, 16, 12, 1 second, 12, 6, 7. 1 second bacha. This is extra thing I've written over here. I'll just go back, okay, and solve this problem. Have a look. 8, 10, 10, 16, 12, 6 and 7. Okay, so this is the frequency which is given to us and the class interval which is given to us. Okay, so you know the class size. What is the class size over here, sir? The class size is simply 10, sir. What is this called as? The letter H, right? Letter H is termed as the class size. The formula for the mode is given like this. We will add the formula first. So the formula is given as the L plus will come first F1 minus F0 divided by twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2 times what we have? We have H over here. We have H multiplied as well. 1 second. We have H multiplied as well. Don't worry about it. I'll explain you all the terms. Right now, just remember this formula. Okay. We have this formula for mode, sir. Okay. What is L bacha? What is L, sir? L is the lower limit of modal class. Modal class. Okay. So what is the modal class, sir? The class with the highest frequency. The class with the highest frequency means I can write here with the max frequency. Max frequency, है ना? Whichever class has the max frequency will be called as modal class. So have a look here. 16 is that, right? This is the modal class, bacha. Highest frequency is 16. Modal class is 30. Sorry, 30 to 40. Where the L value will become 30. What about H, sir? I've written here H already. H is the class size. What is F1? F1 is frequency of modal class, है ना? F1 is frequency of modal class. What about F0, sir? F0 is frequency of the class preceding or before class, before modal class. Okay, what about F2, sir? Same way, succeeding, bacha. So F1 was before, so 10 is my F1 value, sorry, F0 value, forgive me. F1 is 16, F0 is 10, whereas F2 is what, sir? F2 is 12. F0 is the frequency of the class before modal class, and F2 is nothing but the frequency of the class after the modal class. So this is the class after the modal class, frequency is 12. What is F2, sir? Frequency of the class after, I write here modal class, okay? Modal class. Chali. This is clear now. So L is what, sir? L is the lower limit. Have a look. What is the value of L? L is coming as, if I write here mode over here, so my mode will come like this. Have a look. L is the lower limit of the modal class. 30 to 40 is my modal class, so 30 I'll write. L plus H is what, bacha? H is 10, right? So I'll write here 10 multiplied with F0, okay? What is, sorry, F1. What is F1, bacha? 16. What is F1? F1 is the frequency of the modal class. So we write here 16 minus F0, the class before the modal class, frequency of that. So 10, sir, divided by twice of F0, right? Twice of F1, sorry. Twice of F1 means 32. Twice of F1 means 32. What is F1, sir? If I want, I can write it over here. F1 is 16, F0 is 10, and F2 is 12. F2 is 12. Okay. So we have 2 times of F1. So 16 to 2 is 32, minus the 2 values, so minus 10, and minus we have one more 12. Close the bracket, please. Okay, chali. Let's have a look. What we're getting? Can we add this? Of course not, sir. 30 plus 10 times of what we're getting? 16 minus 10 is 6 in the numerator. What we have in the denominator? 32 minus 10 is 22. 32 minus 10 is 22. Minus 12 is again 10 only, na bacha. Right? 32 minus 10 is 22. Minus 12 is 10. Cancel this 10 and 10. What I'm getting? 30 plus 6. What is my answer? 36 is the mode, the modal value of the given data set over here. Looks messy, please accept it. Okay, I will explain these things again to you. This was a given data set 0 to 10, from 0 to 10 to 60 to 70. The frequency was given like this: 8, 10, 10, 16, 12, 6 and 7. Okay, we looked for highest frequency. Why, sir? To find the modal class. We got the modal class as 30 to 40. Formula states L. What is L, sir? The lower limit of the modal class. Okay, so 30 plus H. What is H, sir? The class size. So into 10. Check here. 0 to 10, 10 to 20. Every time the class size is what, bacha? 10 only, na? Okay, sir. What about this? F1. F1 is the frequency of the modal class. So 16. F0 is the frequency of the class before the modal class. So 10. Have a look. This is what, bacha? This is F0. What is this, sir? F1. And what is this, sir? F2. F2 is 12. We use all of that in the formula. This is the very, very important formula that you have for this chapter, this topic in this chapter, mode, okay, for the group data. Okay, we got the result as 36 after calculation. Please have a look. I hope this is clear, right? Yeah, have a look. Okay, now we'll move on to the empirical formula. Please have a look if you have missed something. Okay, now we'll move on to empirical formula. One formula is there which establishes the relation between all the 3 central tendencies, the methods of central tendency, that we have as mode equals to 3 times the median minus twice of the mean. That's it, sir. This is the formula that you have. So if basically, bacha, if you have given median and mean, you can find the mode directly from here. You don't have to apply the formula again. Sir, will this apply to group data, ungroup data? All type of data, bacha. Okay, whatever the data is given, you can use that data to find the median from the formula that you've learned. Where you learned the second session of the statistics, right? And the mean. Okay, so find the mode, median and the mean. Use those two to find the mode. I've taken example like that, don't worry about it. I'll teach you that in the session, how to apply the formula. So 3 median minus 2 mean gives me the mode. I hope this is clear. Chali. Now once I'm done with this, I have a very important announcement for all of you. But if you are in 10th grade and not sure, if you're talking with your friends, with your family members, and whenever this question comes that what is the thing that we are going to do after 10th grade, and you're not sure about it, means let's say you've already made a decision but you're not very sure and confident, you might feel scared also at times because of the decision that you have made. Don't worry, we are here with the solution. What you have to do is take this program which is called as TSAT program, Diksha Scholastic Aptitude Test. What we do in this program, bacha, is help our students to make a right career choice. How can we do that? Like let's say I want to choose science with maths, science without maths, which is bio, or I can choose commerce, I can choose arts. Okay, so this tool will help you, bacha, to make this right career choice. Okay, how? Don't worry about that. I'll teach you that. I'll let you know that as well at the end of the session when I talk about the structure of the research program. Once you know the structure of the program, you'll be very clear that yes, actually this makes sense, and I'm gonna get my choice very clear because of this tool. Okay, now what happens, let's say if you're somebody, for people who are very clear, let's say they want to do engineering, or they want to do in commerce, they want to do something in medical science. Okay, so for those people, for those students, this program will help you understand your competency level for JEE, for NEET, or for KSAT, whatever is your choice. Okay, and this will tell you where you exactly stand in the preparation, how can you get ahead in the competition. So all of this will be clear, bacha, once you have taken this program. How can you do that? So the web page for this, the link for this web page is given in the description of this video. Go ahead, check the link out, enroll yourself, fill all these details, get in touch with our team. They'll help you with booking a slot. Okay, so yes, you have to book a slot. When, sir? On Sunday. You can book on any coming Sunday. So try to book for the nearest Sunday that you're getting, like this week Sunday. And once you have taken this, conducted this, booked this slot for this Sunday, visit our campuses. So you have to visit our offline campuses of Diksha. You have to visit the campus, okay, for 3 hours. 3 hours will be the session, bacha. You have to spend 3 hours with us on the campus, okay, Diksha campuses. Once this is done, I'm sure that you'll be very sure what you're gonna choose, and that'll be a right decision. Okay, so please make sure that you have taken this benefit and avail this, whatever is going on right now in this program, all the offers that is available for you. You have to do how you get to know all of this? By enrolling and booking a slot for this coming Sunday for 3 hours at offline campus of Diksha. I'm repeating this because this is very important. It's offline, bacha. You have to go and get it done. Okay, so get enrolled and get in touch with the team. Chali. So let's move on to solving the problems. I'll let you know the how it actually works. That will make sense more, and you will be very sure that yes, this certainly will help me make a right decision. So that will happen. That will explain be at the end of the session. Right now, I will solve the question number 1 for you. So which is on again mode. A student noted that, okay, achha, one more thing, bacha, this is an NCERT problem. Okay, so I have taken NCERT problem because what happens na, students, bacha, this is very important book for you. You might be referring other reference textbook, very good, but board's questions are based upon NCERT only. Okay, so maybe some questions will be tweaked, data will be changed, but questions are moreover based on NCERT. So that's why when I'm doing PYQ, I'll do that as well. But right now in the sessions when I'm teaching you these concepts and helping you apply the formulas, the thing is, in statistics you don't have derivations, right? What you have is application of big formulas. Like you had 3 formulas in mean, shortcut method, which also called as U-mean method, or you also had direct method, and you also had step deviation method. So I taught you in mean how to apply all these formulas. Right, same way I did for the median, how to apply all the formulas, and same way I'm doing for mode, bacha. So I'll let you know with this problem from NCERT how to apply the formula and get the result. I've done one question like that already, but right now let's solve this question as well. A student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods each of 3 minutes, okay, and summarize it in the table given below. Find the mode of the data. Okay, so for mode, what we need, bacha? We need only 2 things. We need the class interval and we need the frequency. Let's have a look. So they have already given that. Do you have to make the table? We don't have to. Number of cars is given in class interval, right? Please check. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, like that till 70 to 80. And they've also given bacha frequencies. Okay, so we don't need to make a table over here. Okay, let's find the let's write the formula first. We'll get to know from there. So mode is given by L plus H times of, we have here F1 minus F0 divided by twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2. Chaliye, F0 minus F2. What is F1, sir? F1 is the frequency of the modal class. F0, sir, the class before. F2, sir, the class after. Okay, chaliye. So we know the L, right? But for that we need to find the modal class, right? Let's look for modal class first. Modal class is what, bacha? Check here. Highest frequency. Highest frequency is 20, right? So modal class is 40 to 50. 40 to 50 is my modal class. What is my L value? So the L value is 40, sir. What's my F1 value? Of course 20, sir, the highest frequency. 20 is my F1 value. The class size, bacha, what is the value of H? The class size is, sir, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, like that. So 10, sir. The class size is, check the class intervals. Upper limit minus lower limit. Every time you're going to get 10 only, right? Uniform class intervals. So we're getting here, bacha, H has 10. F1 is 20. What about F0, sir? F0 is the frequency of the class before the modal class. Modal class is here, before this 12. Modal class is this, no, 40 to 50. Before this 30 to 40, frequency is 12. F2, bacha, have a look. 40 to 50 after this, frequency is 11. Frequency is 11, right? Let's again apply the formula now. So we'll get this mode equal to L. L is 40 plus H. H is 10. So 10 times of F1. 20 minus 12 divided by 20 times of 2. 2 F1, no? 20 times of 2 means we'll have 40 minus those two values. We have 12 minus 11, so we'll have to write like this, 12 minus 11. Chaliye, 40 I have over here, 10, this is 8, and this is 40 minus 23, right? 40 minus 23. What I'm getting? So 40 plus 10, we have here 8. So into 8 by 7, 1, 17, right? Okay. So what I'm getting, bacha? Have a look. I'm getting the mode value as 40 plus 80 divided by 17. Have a look. 80 by 17. Let's do the division now. Okay. What I'm gonna get? We have 80 over here. 17, 5 we can't do. We have to do with 4, right? 2 with 4. 17 4s are 68, right? So yeah, decimal we take 120. I'm gonna get with decimal, right? Okay, sir. Yeah, 4 7s are 28. Yeah, correct. 68 only. Now what we can do now? 17 7s are, right? 119, na? 17 7s are 119. Have a look. 7 7s are 49. So 9 is there. 4 is carry. 7 into 7 plus 4 is 11, right? So I'm getting here 1 0, right? So I'm getting 4.7. 4.7 is good enough, isn't it? Okay. So yes, sir. I think this will work. 40 plus 4.7. This is good enough for us. So my mode value for this given data is coming as 44.7. Have a look. Yeah. So 44.7 is the mode, bacha. Is the mode, sir. Yeah. Please have a look from the beginning. Okay. Great. How about this? Yeah. So if you're getting a different answer, let me know in the comment section, but I hope not, because I hope that everything that I've done over here is correct only. Okay, so let's move on. Now question number 2. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families. Means total frequency will be what? This is given as 200. Okay. Okay. Find the modal monthly expenditure of the family. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. So to find the mode and the mean, let's find the mode first. Okay. Mean we can use what, bacha? This number is big, no? I can use the step deviation method. So I'll use for mean step deviation. It'll be a good revision, and we'll do for a mode. We'll use again the formula that we have for the group data. How to find the mode. Chaliye. So let's look at the formula first. We know the formula for mode what we have for mode बच्चा, L plus H times of F1 minus F0 upon twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2. चलिए, this is the formula. Okay, let's find the highest frequency. So highest frequency is 40, sir. Highest frequency is 40, sir. So this is my bachcha what? Modal class. Modal class is this. Okay, so from here I can get what? L value is 1500. Okay, what is this bachcha? This is going to be my F1. This is going to be my F0, the frequency of the class before the modal class, and this is going to be what bachcha? F2, है ना? F2, sir. Okay, chaliye. So anything else I need? H I already know. What is H, sir? H is nothing but the size of this. So 500, you can see class size is 500 na. 1000 to 1500 is 500 only, no? Class size is 500. Chaliye, let's get back to solving the problem. What we get now? So we have here mode equals to L, 1500 we write, plus H is 500, sir, multiplied with F1. How much is F1, sir? 40. So 40 minus F0. What is F0, sir? 24. Divided by 2 times of F1. So 40 into 2 is 80 minus 24 minus 33. Correct, na? So have a look. 1500 plus 500. What we are getting, bachcha? Into 16. Into 16. Okay. What about denominator? This is going to be 57, right? 24 plus 33. 2 plus 3 is 5 and 4 plus 3 is 7. So we get bachcha 57 from 80. So we get 23 now. Please check this out. 24 and 33 is 57. From the 80, if you do, from 80 to 60, you're gonna get bachcha 20. We have 3 less, so we're gonna add over here 3. So 23 is my result. If I simplify this, I'm getting the mode as, have a look, I'm getting the mode as 1500 plus 16 to 5 is 80, so 8000 by 23. Yes or no? 16 into 5 is 80, no? We have 2 zeros, so 8000, 18 to, with the 2 zero is 8000 by 23. We have to do the division. Have a look. 23, 8000, okay. I can do with 3 bachcha, 3 3s are 9 and 6. Difference is what, sir? 1 here and 1 here. We get 1 0 down here. So I get this with, I think, 4, right? So 4 3s are 12 I have. Okay, and then 4 2s are 18. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9, right? Correct, na? So what I'm getting, bachcha, please check here. I'm getting here as 8 and 1, 18. I'm getting 180 now. So I can apply this with 7 or 8. 8 will not work. Let's try with 7 only. 7 3s are 21. Carry is 2. 7 2s are 14 plus 2, 16, right? I'm gonna get what, bachcha? 9 here and 1, 19, 190. I'm gonna get with a decimal. Okay, so I can apply what now? With 8. We can apply with 8, right? 8 is 24. 8 is 24. I have 2. 8 is 16 plus 2 is 18. Works, sir. Okay, so this is correct now. 347.8 is my answer. 347.8 is my answer. Have a look. Okay, so this is going to be 1500 plus 347.8. How much is that? 1847.8 is the mode, bachcha. Have a look, right? So 1847.8 is the mode, sir. Okay, so all right. Question number 2, first part is done. Only modal value we have found. This is the modal expenditure, right? This is going to be in rupees. So modal expenditure will be given by, I'll write it like this: modal expense. Okay, expenditure will be given by rupees 1847.8 per family, है ना? Families, modal expenditure is coming as 1847.8. Okay, so let's have a look. This is clear. Now we have to find out, bachcha, we have to find the mean as well. Okay, so I hope this is all visible to you. I'm gonna find the mean now. So for mean, I have to make the table again. So have a look. First will be, sir, given by 1250. I'm writing this. 1 second. I'm writing this table without the class interval. Okay, chaliye. I'm writing this directly as class xi value. Okay, so I'm gonna get this as one. First one will be, have a look, first one will be what, sir? Middle of these two, no? So 1000 and 1500. What is the middle of that, bacha? It's going to be 1250. Add them, 2500, no? Divide by 2, 1250. Okay, so I'm going to get this as 1250. Next will be plus 500, so 1750. Have a look. Class size is 500, no? So I can keep adding that up to 4750. I'll get this as 2250. Next will be 2750, 3250. What I'm going to get now? 3750, 4250, and 4750. Have a look. Okay, so total is what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Over here also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Correct, na? 2 4 6 8. This is right. Shali. Now frequency, let's have a look. Frequency will be given by what? 24 40 33 28. 24 40 33 28. Okay, and 30 12 22 and 16 7. 30 22 16 and 7. Okay, so we are looking to find what? The mean using step division method. How division method, sir? Because bacha, this is going to be a big number, so for that reason I'll assume total is 8, right? I can take either 3 or 4, so let's take this only as my assumed value for the mean. I'll take this as a value, bacha. To find the deviation, this will be my a value. This is my a value. So let's find the deviation first. So di will be what, sir? Di will be xi minus a, no? So xi minus a, take this out. I'm going to get this as minus 2000. Okay, this will be minus 1500. है ना? Subtract this minus this, 1500. This will be, sir, minus 1000 minus 500, 0, 500, 1000 and 1500. If you're not sure, do the subtraction. What subtraction here, sir? Di. What is di, sir? Di is xi minus a, xi minus a, xi minus a, like that for all the terms. Okay, so you can get these values. Now what is next one? I want to find ui also, sir. Why ui is still the big number? I can divide this by h. What is di, sir? If you remember, di was xi minus a and ui was di upon h, na? ui was di upon h. What is h value? 500. This becomes minus 4, this becomes minus 3, this becomes minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. By 500 we are doing, what is the h value? Class size is, sir, 500. Have a look, h value is 500. Chaliye, what is next one? fi ui. Fi ui, multiply them. Minus 24 times 4 is minus 96. 20 times of 3 is minus 120. 33 times 2 minus 66. Okay, we have 33 of minus 2 is 36. Okay, and then 28 times of minus 1, so minus 28. 30 is gone. Okay, this is 0 simply. 22 into 1 is 22. Okay, so 16 into 2 is 32 and 21. Okay, sum of all of this, sigma fi ui, how much is that? Please have a look. So we have to add these values now. We're supposed to add these values. So you have to add these value over here and these values over here. But we're getting this 2 to 4 and 1 5. So we have here 5 and we have 3 to 5 plus 2 is 7, 75. Okay, what about the other one? We're getting this bacha, 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 8 is 20. So carry is 2 and 9 plus 2, 11 plus 2 is 13. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 8 is 20. Okay, carry is 2. 9 plus 2, 11 plus 2, 13 plus 6 is 19 plus 2 is 11, carry plus 2 is 21, carry is again 2 plus 1 is 3. I'll again add this to have clarity. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 8 is 20, carry is 2, 9 plus 2 is 11 plus 2 is 13 plus 8 is 21. Correct. 2 minus 1 3 30. Correct. No, so if you have to do this, we can do this like this. Minus 310 plus 75. Add them, bacha. We get here 5 over here. Now what we're getting? So 10 minus 5 is 5. Then we're going to get 0. So again 3. Okay, then I'll get here 2. Minus 235, no? Yeah, minus 235 is my value. 10 minus 5 is 5. 10 minus 7 is 3. We get 2 here. 2 minus 235 is fi ui. We know the mean value. The mean from this formula is given as, what is it, sir? L. Sorry, not L. A, no? Habit of writing mode. Okay. So A plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into H. What is A value, sir? 3250 plus what is sigma Fi Ui, sir? Minus 235 by sigma Fi. What is sigma Fi, bacha? Sum all of this. We know this value was given as 200. Have a look. 200 families, na? This was given as 200 already. So I can write it over here as simply divided by 200. What's the frequency, sir? What is the H value? H value was 500, sir. We know this. H value was 500. Please have a look. 500 over here. Okay. Cancel this. What I'm getting this as 3250. There's a minus sign, so write a minus sign over here. Multiply these two. 5 5s are 25, carry is 2. 5 3s are 15, plus 2 is 17, carry is 1. 5 2s are 10, plus 1, 11 by 2. Okay, so basically my mean value over here, okay, is coming as 3250 minus 2 5s are 10. Okay, I have 1, so it's going to be, yeah, 2 8s are 16. Okay, 1, then 2 7s are 14, plus 5, na? Please check. 2 5s are 10, carry is 1, so 1 plus 7 is 17. I'm going to get this as 2 8 is 16, so again 14. For the 15, we get 1, then 2 5s are 10. Subtract this, so 0.5 will come. There's a decimal point over here, 0.5, so 0.5. 9 minus 7 is 2, sir. 4 minus 8, 14 minus 8 is 6, okay. 14 minus 8, no, this is going to be 4, right? 14 minus 8, so 6. We have here this as 11. 11 minus 5 will be 6 again. This is going to be 2. So my mean is coming as 2662.5. This is going to be what, bacha? Mean family, okay, mean expenditure, right? Mean expenditure, mean expense per family is given as rupees 2662.5, bacha. Sir, this is taking too much time. Don't worry, if this question comes, it will be for 5 marks, so it was the time. Okay, this question comes, it will be for 5 marks, sir. From NCERT this question is there, a very very good question. Please have a look. Please have a look, sir. From the beginning we got the model value as 1847.8. I'll box it to make sure that you know the answer is over here. Have a look. 1847.8 is the modal expense, and the mean expense is coming as rupees 2662.5. 2662.5. If you're getting different answer, let me know. Okay, if I have made any mistake in the calculation, let me know in the comment section, but I've tried not to. So please have a look. Please have a look from the beginning. Okay, question number 2 is done. Moving on to the last question of the day, which is going to be question number 3, bacha. Let's solve question number 3 quickly. Using empirical formula, calculate the modal, okay, mode for the following data. To find mode, we need median and mean. So let's find the mean and median first. Data is given like this, we have to find median as well, right? So we have to arrange the data. So let's arrange the data first. To find the median, we need to arrange the data, right? Okay, why do we have to find the median? Because we have to find the mode, so. And what's the empirical formula? The mode is given by 3 times of the median minus 2 times of mean. So I need the mean and median value, no? Mean and median value I need. Okay, sir. So let's arrange the data to get the median. We have here, first thing is 16, next is 17. Okay. What else I have? Then I have next is 22. Okay. Next is what, bacha? We have 23 3 times, no? 1, 2, 3 times. So 23, 23 and 23. Okay. Then we have 25. 1, 2, 3 times. So 25 again. 25, 25 and 25. What else I have? I have 128 as well. 28. Count the number of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total number of data is also right. So you're getting 23 3 times, 25 3 times, rest all is 1 time. Okay. So let's find the median first. Median. What is the number of term, bacha? Number of term is 10. It's an even number term. Means median will be given by, so n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term average. What is that going to be? 5th term, na? So 5th term plus 6th term average. What is the 5th term, sir? In the range order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So both are 23 only. 23 plus 23 by 2. What is the answer, sir? 23. So what is the median, bachcha? Median is 23 now, sir. है ना? Median is 23, right? How come, sir? Fifth term, have a look. After arranging the data, take the fifth term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth term, this is sixth term. So average of that, 23 plus 23 is 46, by 2 is again 23 only. Median is done. Let's talk about the mean now. First part is done. Let's talk about the mean now. For mean, I have to add all of this. So let's do that. 16 plus 17 plus 22 plus 23 times of 3. It's getting 3 times, no? 1, 2, 3 times plus 25 times of 3, again 3 times, right? 1, 2, 3 plus 28. Plus 28 divided by total number of terms, which is 10. Have a look. So we'll add the individual term first. So 8 plus 2 is 10. Have a look. I'm going to do what? I'm going to add these terms first. These 4 terms I'm going to add first. How come, sir? I'm going to multiply that later. Okay, right now let's add these terms. So 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 7 is 17, plus 6 is 23, right? So carry is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So 83. What about this? 20 times 3 will be 9, 6, 75 by 10. Let's have a look. 9 plus 5 is 14, plus 3 is 17, carry is 1. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 6 is 14, plus 8 is 22. Correct, na? Divide by 10. I'm going to do this as 22.7 is the mean value. This is the mean value, right? Value of the mean. 22.7 is the value of the mean. Okay, let me just cross check on the addition first. 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17, plus 6 is 23, carries 2, plus 4 plus 6 plus 2, 8. Correct, no? Everything looks right. So 12 plus 5 is 17, we have 1, 8, 60, 14 plus 8, 22. Correct, no? This value is right. Okay, I've checked it, but if you are getting a different answer, let me know in the comment section. We'll try to cross verify. Okay, so this is the right answer for mean. That's for median. We are looking to find value of mode. So mode is given by 3 times of median minus 2 times of mean. 3 times of median is how much, sir? 23. 22.7. So going to be again, okay, minus 14 first, carries 1, 8 plus 1 is 9 and 4, right? Have a look. 7 to the 14, carry is 1. 7 2 to the 4 plus 1, okay, 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5, no? Yeah. 1 second. 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5, okay. And 2 to the 4. Let's subtract this now. So we're going to get this as 0.6. We have here as 8 minus 5 is 3. And that is it. 23.6 is the value of mode, sir. Please have a look. So using the empirical formula, we have got the mode value as 23.6. We have the mean and median as well. This is the mean value as 22.7, median is 23 value. Please check. I hope this is all visible to you. This is the median, right? 23. Have a look. 23, 22.7 and 23.6. Please cross check the values. I think this is NCERT question. Not sure. Okay. So please have a look. Alright, so with this bacha, I'm gonna conclude the session. But as I said, I have information for all of you to let you know how the structure of the reset program works, so that you are very sure that how actually it'll be helpful to all of you. Have a look. So what bacha, what we do know in this 3-hour session, again, where, sir? At the offline campus of Diksha. When, sir? On Sunday. How to get the appointment, how to book a slot, everything is given over here. The link is given. Go ahead, check the link out and enroll. Book a slot on Sunday. Okay. After that, when you visit the campus, 3-hour session will be there. First hour will teach you some concept, means a lecture will be taught to you. In that you can ask your doubts as well. So 1 hour is over. Second hour will be aptitude test based upon what you have learned. Okay, so after that, second hour means first hour is lecture, second hour is test. Third hour is very, very important, a counseling session, means we'll evaluate your paper and we'll let you know what was your approach to solve a problem. How can how could you approach the problem in a different way? What makes the problem easier? What makes the problem, how to break the problem in the different steps. So, and apart from that, so we'll let you know where you are there in the preparation, what you should have done better. Okay, if you've done a very good job, we'll let you know that as well, that you are very good, you're doing everything right, and you should be just maintaining this energy and the space to be what you're looking to get in your, whatever is your goal, you're going to get that done. Okay, so apart from this, like apart from this paper evaluation and helping you out with this thing, you can also take bacha all the doubts that you have. Let's say whatever doubts you have regarding career, like thinking about the biology, thinking about the mathematics, whatever it is, write down all these doubts that you have in a piece of paper and bring that piece of paper to our center bacha. Okay, so bring this piece of paper to our center. Once you are at the campus, ask all these doubts to our team of faculties and counselors. Okay, they'll help you out with this, I'm very sure. And once you are leaving this campus, you'll be very, very happy that you got all the answers and very satisfied with the program. Okay, so one more thing. If you are done with all of that, and if you are ready to make a decision, and if you choose us for your preparation in 11th and 12th, based upon the second hour test that you've written, okay, this test, you get a scholarship on your admissions. Okay, so you have to make a decision, and if you are willing to join us, you get a very good scholarship bacha for the admissions. I hope this is clear. Okay, so with this, I'm going to conclude the session bacha today, which was on the statistics mode and empirical formula. We have completed this chapter bacha. We'll have a PYQ session, and after that we have the last chapter to deal with, probability. So please be with us and maintain the same energy that you have maintained and learn all the concepts, solve all the problems we're doing. Anything else you want from our side, let us know in the comment section. We'll try to come up with the solutions and problems, all the queries that you are having, we'll try to come up with the solution for your queries. Okay, so with this, I'm ending the session today. Please take care of yourself, keep working hard, okay, keep smiling, have a positive mindset, and it's going to be a tough time, but I understand that you are here, you're prepared. It means there's nothing to worry. Keep calm, keep working hard. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.